Okay, kids, it's time for some dynamite science. Feathers are made of keratin, which is also found in our hair and nails, and it doesn't preserve well in the fossil record, so we don't find many feathered dinosaurs. However, scientists can study Microraptor's feathers because their impressions were preserved in rocks as fossils. Microraptor was a four-winged dinosaur that lived in what is now China about 200 million years ago. It was a feathered dinosaur that could glide from tree to tree, kind of like a flying squirrel. But it wasn't a bird. Birds are a type of dinosaur called theropods, which also includes velociraptors. But Microraptor isn't the only feathered glider. There was also Archaeopteryx, another gliding dinosaur that lived about 25 million years earlier. And Ancornis huxley might be even older. We know that a bird's gotta do what a bird's gotta do. Fly or be a bird. But these dinosaurs with bird-like qualities lived alongside other feathered dinosaurs that couldn't fly at all, like Velociraptor. And we know that because one of the best preserved fossils of a Microraptor actually had impressions of feathers on its tail and on its legs. And those feathers were definitely not for show. And they probably helped this dynamite dinosaur steer while it glided through the air. So what does this tell us about dinosaurs? Well, that's pretty hard to say because scientists don't agree on how these ancient animals are related to one another. Some scientists think that all feathered dinosaurs are related to Microraptor, but others don't. And those scientists are like, duh, birds aren't dinosaurs. But wait, there are lots of dinosaurs that had feathers, like Sinosauropteryx, Cryolophosaurus, and maybe even Ankylosaurus. The only dinosaurs that survived the asteroid that hit Earth 66 million years ago were avian dinosaurs, birds. So maybe it's more helpful to think of birds as the last of the dinosaurs rather than a group all their own. If you want to learn more about dinosaurs, you can check out the resources in the description below. And thank you for watching.